In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buying power on Webull. Worth knowing up front, there isn't a single dedicated button labeled Add Buying Power, since it's really a number that reflects your cash, your account type, and what's actually settled. So let's cover the real ways to actually increase it. Let's dive right in. The most direct way: deposit more cash. Tap the Webull logo, then Transfers, and initiate a deposit from your linked bank account. A standard ACH transfer is free, and typically the easiest route, though you can also fund by wire if you need it to move faster, which comes with a fee. Once your deposit lands, and often even before it's fully settled thanks to Webull's instant buying power feature, that cash adds directly to what you have available to trade with. The bigger lever: enable a margin account. If you're currently on a cash account, your buying power is limited to whatever cash you actually have. Switching to margin, which requires at least $2,000 in equity and a short application covering your income and net worth, unlocks borrowed buying power on top of your own cash, up to 4x for day trades and up to 2x for anything held overnight. This is genuinely the biggest way to expand your buying power without depositing another dollar. Though it's worth remembering that borrowed buying power means borrowed risk too, since losses get amplified by that same multiple. Check for unsettled funds tying things up. If you've recently sold something or made a deposit, part of your balance might not be counted toward your available buying power yet until it actually settles. If your buying power looks lower than expected, that's often the reason, and it typically resolves itself within a business day or so, rather than needing any action from you. Free up capital by closing positions. If you're fully invested and want more buying power without adding new funds or taking on margin, closing out an existing position releases that capital back into your available balance, ready to be redeployed elsewhere. And that covers the real ways to do it: deposit more cash, apply for margin if you want leverage, or free up what's tied up in unsettled funds or existing positions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.